Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a video on this look right here. I am very much loving the green and purple combination going on here, and I really love this dark lip. If you're interested in seeing how I created this look, please keep watching. Now I gotta go to work. Hello. I have to go to work in an hour, less than an hour and a half. So I'm going to do a really quick glam up for work today. I am going to be going in with the Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette from last year. I didn't really get to play with this palette a lot, so I am excited to go back in with it and play with it a little bit more. There's some shades in here that I really want to use and are pretty holiday-y. My eyes are already primed, so we're gonna get started right away. I'm going to go in with this deep purple shade first. I think this is Space Out, this one right here. And I think I'm going to try to take this on my Morphe M167. I'm going to pat this and focus this on my outer lid space. More so the inner corner here. I'm just going to roughly like put this on like in the crease area right now. Boom, done. It's a good look, guys, right? I'm going to take my Morphe B30 something brush and blend this out. Do the same thing with the other eye. Just tap this over here. Okay, and now I'm going to take this shade right here, Ultraviolet, this other purpley shade, take it on the same brush. I'm going to bring this more in the middle of my eye. I don't really know who I am anymore right now because I usually don't use like glittery eyeshadows. Like I really don't mess with glittery eyeshadows just because of the fallout. I'm a much more like matte pigmented person. But here I am having fallout all over my face. I'm going to go in with my R42 and try to pack on more of this purple, blue, indigo shade a little bit more. Bring this up a little bit more. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with these green shades. This green right here, Extraterrestrial, and then I'm going to go in with Sublime. This color right here, it's like a lighter green. And I'm going to take, I'm going to go with Ultraviolet. Before we do that, I'm going to spray it with some Fix Plus and put this over the middle here a little bit more. And then I'm going to go in with these greens. So I'm going to take Extraterrestrial and I'm just going to go over the top lightly with this. Like literally just tapping it over. See that? And now I'm going to take Sublime. I think I'm going to spray it with a little Fix Plus as well. We're going to pop this over the middle, just the center area. So I'm just going to touch up the purple here and there, like the deeper purple. And then I'm going to try to blend it out a little bit on the edges here with that ultraviolet shade. Okay, I dig it. I am now going to really quickly do my face. I will come back and show you guys how I do my under eyes. I will be right back. Okay, so my face is done for the most part. I'm going to pop on my NYX Slide On Glide On Extreme Shine Liner. It's this purple shade. I'm going to just line my waterline, top and bottom. And I am going to be a little bit like messier with it on the bottom because I'm going to blend the shadow into it. So now that we look like a crazy person, I'm going to take my R42 again, and I'm just going to go in the dark purple shade and start buffing this into the bottom lash line. So there's that. I'm going to go in with Ultraviolet, kind of smoke this out underneath. And then I'm going to take my B38 brush again and I'm going to blend all of this together. And then I'm going to adjust my inner corner highlight. I'm taking Milky Way, this super white goldish shade right here. Pop this inner corner, and I'm also going to pop this up underneath my brow. Okay, so I'm going to pop on some lashes, a lip, and I'm going to fix my hair and get ready for work, and then I will be back to show you guys the finished look, because this ain't it. Okay guys, this is the completed look. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial with me. My lips are my Pat McGrath Labs Liquid Lipstick. It's this really deep red brown. This was the lip liner that I used, the Urban Decay Blackmail liner, and then over top of it I just took that inner corner highlight shade Milky Way from the Galaxy palette. And my lashes are Scarlett from Huda Beauty. So I have to get on my way to work right now. So that being said, thank you guys again so much for watching this video. I hope you really liked it. If you did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right over here if you do want to see more videos like this. I have a lot more holiday looks coming. I actually really like this. I'm really a fan of the purple and the green. I'm actually inspired to do a whole other look based off my lips. So yeah, thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.